I recently built out or started building out a personal knowledge management system, which some people also call a second brain. I've used the application Obsidian to do this, which is a note-taking application, and honestly, I think it's changed my life a bit. I was looking for ways to grow my online business. I run a coffee roasting company, and so I started doing a lot of research on social media growth. That led to me finding a lot of different projects to work on. I had a lot of notes going on, and I needed a replacement for Google Keep. And I don't know if you use Google Keep, but there's a plethora of issues with it. You can use color coding on your notes. It's basically a cloud-based Post-it note system. But I wanted something that had tagging. I knew there had to be options out there with more data types. But I'm also a bit of a minimalist when it comes to these types of things. So I started reading a little bit into the different types of note systems out there. And of course, that turned into its own rabbit hole for me. I knew about Microsoft OneNote, and I had seen a previous coworker at a position I worked at that had built out quite an impressive Microsoft OneNote system of his own. I liked the way he had things laid out, and so I knew there was powerful systems out there. I have worked with Evernote in the past. I started playing with OneNote, but then I started diving down the rabbit hole, and I started learning about Notion, Roam Research, Obsidian, LogSec. I settled on Obsidian. I really liked the system with flat files and Markdown. And so as I started to build out my PKM in Obsidian, PKM known as Personal Knowledge Management, through this somehow I decided that a YouTube channel was what I wanted to do. I'm currently very interested in the topic of personal knowledge management and how it can change your life positively and how you can build systems to essentially automate your creative processes with brainstorming and with linking your brainstorming to your projects. I really think this has changed my life positively. So I figured if I'm going to do a YouTube channel, I might as well focus on this. And so here I am. So if you like this video, please do like, please do subscribe, and please do comment down below and let me know what note-taking tools you use. Do you use pen and paper, or do you have an application that you like, and why is it that you like that? And I hope that you have a wonderful day. Thanks.